What's next? Everyone's asking it, but you're tasked with answering it. Fast. Not only must you anticipate the needs of the future, you have to make them a reality before your competition, at a quality that cannot fail. Together, we can make that happen. At TE Connectivity, we drive innovation forward, shaping what's next for everything from artificial intelligence to power grids to autonomous factories and next-generation vehicles. We pair your vision with our deep expertise to transform innovative possibilities into fully designed realities. Let's move beyond the edge of the technological frontier. Let's dare to invent it. Demand keeps rising. Let's meet it smarter. Networks need to connect. Let's make them stronger. Our world needs to move. Let's move it forward. Let's push boundaries. Let's build the future. With our combined expertise, we're not waiting for what's next. Together, we're defining it. Every connection counts.